Hello, I'm Dr. Parag Biniwale. I'm a senior consultant OB-GYN from Pune. I am also secretary of the Indian College of OB-GYN. Join me on the 6th of October at 3 p.m. to discuss a problem of early menopause and hormone therapy. Menopause is a big challenge, and in next 30 to 40 years, it is going to be a major public health problem. A significant number of women land up in premature menopause, and they are the ones who face a lot of challenges as far as their health is concerned. So join me on the 6th of October to learn more about early menopause and hormone therapy. I wish to thank Foxy for giving me this opportunity, especially President Dr. Alpesh Gandhi. Thank you, Zydus, for their unconditional support for this educational activity. And thank you, DocMode, for giving us a wonderful platform to present our information. Thank you.